In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Terms and Conditions checkbox to Shopify Checkout. Adding a Terms and Conditions checkbox is a simple way to set clear expectations with customers and reduce disputes, especially around refunds and shipping policies. Here's how to get it done quickly and correctly. Start by opening your Shopify website and going to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand navigation, click on Apps. This is where we'll add a tool that creates the checkbox for you. In the Apps section, search for Our Terms. You're looking for the app that specifically adds a Terms and Conditions checkbox at checkout. Click the app in the results to open its page, then click Install. Confirm any permissions Shopify asks for, so the app can place the checkbox in the right spot during checkout. Installation only takes a moment. Once installed, open the app. You'll now see customization options for your Terms and Conditions checkbox. This is where you can tailor the experience to match your brand and store policies. Start by editing the checkbox text so it's clear and customer-friendly. For example, I agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to add or paste the link to your existing Terms and Conditions page so customers can review it before accepting. If you have a dedicated returns or privacy policy, many merchants also link those within the same sentence for clarity. Next, look for the option that makes the checkbox required. Turning this on ensures customers can't proceed without agreeing, which helps protect your business. While you're here, set a helpful error message, like, "Please agree to the terms and conditions to continue," so shoppers understand what's missing. You can also adjust the styling, match the color, size, and position to your storefront's look, and preview how it appears on desktop and mobile. A clean, consistent look builds trust at checkout. When you're happy with the wording, link, behavior, and style, click Save. Saving applies your changes and activates the checkbox on your checkout. As a quick tip, after saving, run a test by adding a product to your cart and proceeding to checkout. Look for the checkbox, try leaving it unchecked to see the error message, and confirm the link. Opens your terms page. If anything looks off, return to the app to fine-tune the text or styling and save again. That's it. Your Shopify checkout now includes a clear, required Terms and Conditions checkbox, helping you stay compliant and transparent with customers.